Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Boston Massacode. It is a pleasure for me this evening it's a pleasure for you to be here with me. I have picked another subject that is appropriate for a beginning coding student that just wants to get their feet wet and understand what's going on. And that subject is Markdown. And when I was doing some fooling around with Markdown a few months ago, I wrote a wonderful story that exhibited most of the attributes of Markdown. And I'm going to share that with you guys right now. And all of the links to things that I reference are going to be in the description. So this is a story about Mark Wahlberg and the alleged way that he conceived of the Markdown language. And so right up here, you can see that this is an H1 by the single hashtag up there. There's no styling. Here, it's just in quotes, and then Markdown is italic because it has one asterisk. Markdown down here is bold because it has two asterisks. You just learned three things. One, an H1 tag is one hashtag. Two, italics, one asterisk. Three, two asterisks equals bold. That's three concepts. Boom. Next thing, two hashtags. You got it. That's an H2 tag. Moving on. Mark was caught sneaking red vines. He got turned away because he was on a diet. And so to satisfy his cravings, he sat down at a typewriter and wrote out Markdown. Down here is a reference to his Wahlburgers restaurant chain, and you can see that the title for the link is inside the brackets here, and the link itself is within the braces, not the braces, parentheses. So what else? There's another link here. If you're doing an unordered list, a bulleted list. Actually, I'm not sure what this is. So this is the conversation that goes on between them. So let's go down here. And if you watched my other video about live server, you know that, well, that's not right. What happened here? I wonder what happened here. Interesting. Very interesting. I'm not sure what's going on here. Well, luckily I have a backup of it on my GitHub, but it's very evident here that my videos are brand new. So this is what it looks like, and I'm not sure why it's not live serving up, but down here you can see, so this is all just a conversation sidebar, and that is how you denote it here with the nice little greater than symbols, and that denotes like a comment section or just an entire conversation like I use it here. So go to my GitHub, find Markdown practice, and laugh at my story. I'll have a link to it at the bottom. Everything else there, you can pretty much go through the entire, here it is. If you go through it, you'll find how to make a bulleted list, an unordered list, and an ordered list. Here,